cooking video, and I'm going to show you guys how I make my vegetarian egg rolls. Me and my husband are doing the 21-day fast, the Daniel fast, where we eat no meat, sweets, desserts, nothing like that. So I wanted to get on here and show you guys some of the things that we have been going to do is chop up my veggies and get it in the skillet. Right now I've already done the olive oil and the minced garlic, and I'm going to be adding white onion, green onion, obviously mushrooms, and also a coleslaw mixture, which is just cabbage and carrots. Now, right before I put the coleslaw in, I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning up the mushroom. Now, once all of your ingredients are added to the skillet, cover it with the top and put it on medium heat. Okay, so now the next step will be, once the filling is done, to stuff the egg roll shells, roll them, and drop them in hot oil, a deep fryer, or even if you have an air fryer, they all work the same. Obviously, the most healthy will be the air fryer. Unfortunately, I do not have one. You say hi, Carson. Say hi. Okay. Okay, applesauce. So, obviously, the air fryer is more healthy, but unfortunately, I don't have one, so I will be dropping mine in hot oil.